Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are gonna see about why arrays start with 0. If you are familiar with C, C++, Java and even Dart, Python, so you may be wondering about why arrays always start with 0. So in this video, I'm gonna give you answer for that. So initially, first we'll understand the compiler logic, like how it execute when we are trying to access a particular element in the array. So yes, this is the logic behind the compiler. For first one is a base address. So in addition of index multiply size of the data types. So this is the compiler logic that will execute when we are trying to access a particular element in the array. So let's see the example. So I have declared a array here in C, and there will be a 6 element in my array. So we'll see how this elements is stored in a memory address. So this is how the array is stored in a memory address. So let's assume the arrays start with 0. So if you are assigning the arrays start with 0, this is how the elements will be allocated in the memory address. So let's also assume the our base address as 1000. So this is how the base address will be incremented for each element in our array. So our data type that we are using in our array is an integer, so the size of the integer is a 4. So that's why the base address is looks like this. So if you are trying to access our first element in our array means, so this is how our compiler will execute. Like so the initial 1000 is our base address of our array. So 1000 plus the index that we are going to access in our array. So it's a 0 for now. So 0 into like our data type size is a 4, so multiply 4. So the value is a 1000. So the value that is stored in our memory address 1000 is 5. So 5 will be returning from the compiler. So you will be getting the 5 value. So if you are accessing array of 0, so same for array of 1, the second element in our array. So 1000 plus the index value is 1, so 1 into the size of the integer is a 4, so 4. So the our now we will be getting a 1004. The value stored in a 1004 is a 3, so second element. So you will be getting the second element. So for third value is also same like previous one, like 1000 plus the index is a 2 multiply 4, so 1008. So third element, the 1008 is a 6, and this is how our compiler will be getting the values from our memory address. So this is why the array is always start from 0. So now you may be thinking about why can't we access our first element in an array by using a 1. So you can still access your first element in your array by using 1. So by using the this formula, but it actually takes a one extra operation like subtraction for each element it accesses. So just by starting the index from 0, you save a one operation per element access. So that's why the array index start with 0. So that's all for the today's video. So we'll see you in next video.